Hello everyone, today I'm going to cover MCP Model Context Protocol, which is most frequently used term in the AI world. Let's imagine your laptop a few years ago. If you wanted to connect different devices, you needed different ports. If you wanted to connect with a charger, then you need a separate port. Monitor, separate port. Keyboard, separate port. Storage devices. And it used to be so messy, connecting so many cables. This is similar to how AI systems used to integrate with the tools. In traditional AI systems, every tool required a separate integration. If an AI wanted to connect to a CRM system, it needed a separate integration. If it wanted to connect to the HR system, separate one. Wanted to access a database, separate one. So it is so many connectors from LLM to the backend. Let's come back to the laptop scenario. USB-C is a single port can connect to many devices. The same cable can handle charging, data transfer, display output, and many other devices. One connector, many possibilities. Exactly the same in the MCP. Now imagine bringing the same idea to the AI systems. This is where Model Context Protocol comes in. Instead of building separate integrations for every tool, MCP provides one standard way for AI models to connect to different systems. Let me just take you to the next slide. It's a simple explanation. You can see LLM used to connect by using multiple connectors, whether you want to connect to your Git, database, or any Stack Overflow kind of tools in the backend. Whereas now, after the MCP is a standardized interface. It will take care of connecting to the backends. LLM doesn't need to really worry about where it is being connected. It's all being taken care by the MCP. It can access to the database, enterprise applications, APIs, cloud platforms, and external services. MCP is a standardized three-layer framework that enables AI assistants to interact with real-world data and tools in real time. Let me just show you the other architecture which explains the three layers. The three core architecture layers are MCP host, MCP client, and MCP server. Host application is nothing but your cursor, GitHub, Copilot, or your Visual Studio Code, Visual Studio Professional, from where you generate the code by just triggering the prompts. And MCP client, a lightweight connector embedded within the host. It maintains one-to-one stateful connection with an MCP server. Its job is to translate the AI's high-level reasoning into a standardized protocol language. Whereas MCP server is lightweight program that exposes specific capabilities to the client. It wraps a data source or tool and presents them as primitives that AI can understand. Just to remember, Model Context Protocol is a standard way for AI models to connect to different tools, systems, and data sources. Just like USB-C allows one port to connect many devices, MCP allows AI to connect to many applications through a single common protocol. Thanks for watching my videos. I'll come up with many more useful videos for your interviews. Thank you.